Hey, welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're going to be talking about how to cut clips. This is like one of the biggest questions and it's one of the most basic things you do all the time in Final Cut Pro, so let's jump in.
The quickest and first way to make a cut is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. So all you need to do is position your playhead where you want the cut to be and then press Command B. Just like that, your footage is now split into two separate clips where you can now trim it if you want to take away a few more frames or add a few frames. Now, if you prefer using the toolbar, Final Cut Pro has a tool just for cutting. So it's called the blade tool and you can find it in the toolbar and it works just like the Command B shortcut. Position your playhead and click. This acts as sort of a digital scissors. And now that you've made all these cuts, you can delete certain clips if you want to, or further trim things. Practice makes perfect, so go ahead and try making a few more cuts using Command B and the blade tool.
I hope that was helpful. If you like these types of videos, I have an entire playlist of these tutorials in under 2 minutes that you can just kind of breeze through in your free time if you're looking to learn more about Final Cut or just video editing. Also subscribe, I make videos every other week. I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.